how to see who has viewed or visited your Instagram profile. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will learn about how we can see who has viewed our Instagram profile. So let's go on with the process on how we can find. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to do so, head over to your Instagram. After that, you may just directly head over to profile, and you need to have a professional dashboard on your screen, because that allows us to have the insights of our profile. So here you can see the insights option where you can find view section. So you're just gonna head over to the view section, and here I can find the information like I have 5 views on my Instagram profile in last 30 days. We also have the audience section here, but that is not really available on my reason. But if it is available, you can directly find it from there. Otherwise, you may just head back, and other methods you can apply in order to find who has viewed your Instagram profile, or viewed your Instagram post. These are the process. You may just head over to your Instagram post, and you can find this liked section. So if this person has liked my Instagram post, there is a chance that that person has also viewed my profile. So that may be one of the solution on how you can find it. Otherwise, you may just post a story and look up for the story viewers, where you will be finding all of the viewers from your followers, and those people may also have viewed your Instagram profile if they have viewed your story. So those are the chances. Other than that, we have also third-party applications out there, but those are not really reliable. So these are the only methods we can apply for now. Maybe in the future, Instagram will add a feature where we can know who has viewed our profile. But for now, these are the process you may follow in order to know. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.